Experiencing payment authorization issues with the Tesco app. It's often related to strong customer authentication, a security measure requiring two-factor authentication. The most common fix is ensuring both your Tesco app and your banking app are updated to the latest versions. Update Tesco app to versions 5.1 plus for Android and 4.8 plus for iOS, and ensure your banking app like HSBC is also updated. Clear the app cache, restart your device, and check your internet connection for stability. Make sure biometrics like fingerprint or face unlock are enabled on your device and linked to your bank app. If SCA fails, try manual entry of a one-time code from your bank app. Contact Tesco Bank Support if problems persist, as they offer 24/7 chat options to assist with these issues. Resolution rates are high with these self-help tools, typically resolving issues within 24 hours. Strong Customer Authentication, or SCA, is a security requirement that protects online payments. It requires three elements: something you know, like a PIN or password, something you have, such as your mobile device, and something you are, like your fingerprint or face recognition. In the Tesco app, SCA works through your linked bank app for verification. When you make a payment, the Tesco app communicates with your banking app to confirm your identity using these three elements. Current trends show increased adoption of biometrics for banking authentication. Biometric methods like fingerprints and face recognition are becoming more popular because they're convenient and secure. Another trend is the move towards appless SCA methods, such as SMS verification or hardware tokens. These alternatives provide security without requiring users to switch between multiple apps. Looking to the future, open banking APIs will allow Tesco apps to directly access SCA data from banks, reducing authorization times and simplifying the payment process. By 2030, quantum-resistant encryption is expected to further reduce payment failures by protecting against advanced cyber threats. Keep an eye out for updates that integrate these technologies to improve payment security and ease of use. Stay informed about evolving regulations and technology to ensure smooth transactions with the Tesco app.